Again, from 1,200 points, magiging 1,500 points na po or binary points ang ating global package. And the new feature of this global pack na wala previously from our 7,980, we have assigned a conditional points or what we call stair-step points for the global package, and the value of which is 800 points. Okay, so later on I will be revealing to you the importance of the 800 points. So let's of course go into the details, pero hindi ko na i-highlight yung mga basic. Like for example, the daily income, okay? Retailing remains as is, 25% to 30% pa din. Okay? Tapos, okay, the big change in our marketing program with the 12,980 global package, our direct referral bonus will increase to 1,000 pesos from 500 pesos previously. Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Walang mga kamay kasi ginagamit sa cellphone. Okay? So, 1,500 product package points, that's 67.7. So, 1,000 pesos po ang direct referral natin. Another big change is our match sales bonus, which means from 1,500, ladies and gentlemen, our match sales bonus will increase to 2,000 pesos starting tomorrow. Okay? So, let me just, for illustration purposes, reveal to you, show to you, sales force on the left, sales force on the right, 1,500, 1,500 on the other side. That will give you 2,000 match sales bonus. Nothing changes with our daily payout or maximum payout, which is about 8 in the morning, 8 in the afternoon, 16 match per day. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, because from 1,500, we've increased it to 2,000 pesos per match, now the daily income will increase to 32,000 pesos starting tomorrow. Okay? Weekly will be translated to 224,000, and of course, with Sunday encoding, 31 days, 2,000 or 32,000 per day will be equivalent to 992,000 per month potential income. Are you excited? So again, this is just good for one account. So the potential of the income will highly increase if you have 7 accounts or 3 accounts. Okay, another change we will be coming up with a new package we call Associate Pack or Associate Package. This is a bit lower than the Global Pack. So the features will be, the price is 6,980. Again, the combination of which will be discussed to you later by our visionary president. Of course, it's almost half of the 12,980, and so the binary points is also half of 1,500, which is equivalent to 750 points. Under the associate package, there is no multiple accounts. Only Global Pack, or those people who will avail of the Global Pack, will have the privilege of the multiple accounts. But those people who will be availing of the associate package, they don't have any privilege with regards to multiple accounts. So, pwede lang mag-multiple accounts yung naka-Global Pack na. AP account, hindi sila pwedeng mag-multiple accounts. Ang limitations ng AP is 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon matches, maximum of 6 matches per day. So, 6 matches per day times 2,000, that's about 12,000 pesos potential income per day. Next, the only way to be upgraded to Global Pack, pag nag-AP ka, na gusto mong mag-upgrade to Global Pack, you need to purchase 2 personal points. Pag sinabing personal points, that should be your personal purchase under sa pangalan mo. So 2 points, accumulation, no time frame. Are we clear? So pag nag-associate package si Down9, the only way to be upgraded, mag-accumulate siya ng 2 points personal na no time frame. Now, we would like you to take notice of this. Yung first 2 points niya na inavail niya to be upgraded to Global Pack is not yet counted for his or her group sales for the promotion of Silver Executive. Hindi pa kasama. Pero yung 2 points na in-avail niya, para ma-upgrade siya sa group sales, para ma-upgrade siya sa global pack, yung 2 points na in-avail niya, counted na yun sa uplines, sa group sales ng uplines. Are we clear? So, that's the associate pack. Okay? And the stair-step points or commissional points of associate package is 400 stair-step points. Now, do you want to hear good news? Gusto niyo makarinig ng good news? Now, here is the good news. Number 1 good news. If the system is able to identify 750 binary points on the left and 750 points binary on the right, the company will pay you out 1,000 pesos outright. So pag may 750 sa kaliwa, may 750 sa kanan, pay out na ng 1,000. Hindi na maghihintay ng 1,500 sa left and right to get your payout. Is that good or very good? Next. Okay? Month sales bonus, there will be no gift check anymore every 5th cycle or every 5th match. Your 5th match will therefore be converted to travel reward points. So wala na pong product GC, okay? Lahat ng 5th cycle ninyo will be converted to a particular travel reward points. Na yung travel reward points, pag naipon mo, and we will be assigning certain points for local trip and international trips as well. Gusto niyo ba yan? Halimbawa, sinabi namin, pagdating ng June, meron pong Boracay trip. Ang kailangan mo, for example, 100 points. Now, noong nakita mo yung DTC mo, every 5th match mo, umabot na ng 100 points. Now, pagdating ng June, pwede mo pong i-claim para mag-travel ka sa Boracay. And upon claiming, the good thing here is, transferable siya upon claiming. Pwede niyong i-transfer. Halimbawa, pagdating ng June, naka 200 ka. O di dalawa ang travel na i-avail mo, upon claiming, yung isa, pwede mong i-transfer sa loved ones mo or sa mga downlines mo. Is that good or very good? Again, let me emphasize, that can only be transferred upon claiming. Hindi pwedeng i-transfer yung points sa system. Hindi katulad dati yung GC, pwede yung i-transfer yung points. This time, upon claiming, sa kanyo lang pwedeng i-transfer. For example naman, ang hinihintay nyo international travel. Let's say, for example, discussion purposes, pagdating ng October, merong Singapore trip. Ang Singapore trip, for example, ang assigned points, 300 points. O di wag mo munang i-avail yung Boracay na 100 points. Palakihin mo ng palakihin para pag October, hinihit mo naman yung Singapore trip na 300. Again, pag nakuha mo 300, you can avail it yourself or upon claiming, you can transfer it sa downlines o kaya sa loved ones mo. Are you excited? Okay. Pero, may option. For those who will be earning 50,000 pesos below per month. Again, for those who will be earning 50,000 below per month, 50,000 and below per month, may options. Unang option, yung 5th cycle mo, pwede mo pa rin i-convert na travel reward points. Or, kung ayaw mo i-convert na travel reward points, pwedeng product gift certificate pa rin ang kunin mo para sa iyong 5th match cycle. But you have to remember, yung ating gift certificates can no longer be used for your personal monthly achievement or what we call as monthly maintenance. Starting tomorrow, all monthly maintenance, which is the 0.3334 or equivalent to 2 completes or 2 boxes of completes, will have to be purchased by cash. Lahat ng personal maintenance natin starting tomorrow, cash na po siya. So, for those people who will be availing the product's gift certificate, 50,000 or below na income, pwede nyo pa rin kunin ng product certificate or product GC, yung inyong 5th cycle, pero hindi nyo po siya magagamit for your personal monthly achievement for PMA. Are we clear? Okay, next. Monthly income, sa uni level, wala pong pagbabago. So, for illustration purposes, 10% ka pa rin sa direct mo, and then 5% from your second level down to your 10th level with, of course, a special feature of dynamic compression. No change in our uni-level program, so I will have to skip this. But the change, significant change, is with our stair-step commission. Previously, kumikita lang kayo ng stair-step commission sa ating product reorder pa isa-isa. Which means pag may bumili sa grupo na C24/7 complete or any product reorder, meron kang overriding commission. With our unified innovated marketing plan, the good thing about here is, ang stair-step commission ninyo, hindi na lang po kukumputin sa product reorder. Pero meron na rin kayong overriding commission sa lahat ng global packages ninyo, left and right, until infinity, walang flash out. Naintindihan mo ba nila? Global package, left and right, mapa-strong, mapa-weak, until infinity, meron kayong overriding commission sa global package. Provided you are a rank higher than your direct downlines. Because you can only enjoy overriding commissions pagka ang rank mo is 1 or 2 more ranks higher than your direct downlines. Halimbawa, SE to distributor, meron kang 10% down the line. Pero SE to SE, pareho kang 10%, wala. GE to SE, group sales, meron kang 10%. GE to distributor, meron kang 20%. But GE to GE, that is zero overriding commission. So, ang makikita nyo na ngayon, lahat ng grupo nyo, okay, left and right, product reorder, at global pack, meron kayong overriding commission. Mapa, strong leg, or pairing leg nyo yan until infinity and no flash out involved. Are you excited?